As you can see, we use the clear buckets to mix our product. We like to be able to see that we got everything, all the ingredients are mixed in real good, and we can take it over and fill our machine. Alright, so the large fill mouth on the top of the machine here that makes it very easy to pour our product in. Gonna pour the whole thing in here. Just like always, we want to make sure we get all our flavor in there. Not just for the recipe, but you don't want to lose anything. You can make a cup of water ice with this. Pour that in too. Now, a convenient thing for our machines, we have our hose built right in. So what we want to do is we want to fill this up a little bit till the water comes to about right where that crease is there. All right. And a little bit more. So now we're going to set our timer. So this is water ice. It's 15 minutes, say. Turn on our dasher. Refrigeration and set time. Now we're running in our B12V, so we have the viscosity meter here. It goes all the way up to 230 down to about 130. For water ice, we're going to keep it all the way up at